Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we got this Mazda 6 here. This is a 2009 model, but it doesn't matter what year of Mazda 6 you have. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. I do have the old battery out, but I'm still going to show you a complete process how to replace this battery up close and personal. So all you need is a ratchet. This is a 3-inch drive, extension, and a number 8 socket. Okay, I have a little reducer in here because I'm using a 1/4-inch socket here, but it doesn't matter. You can have a 3/8 drive, but that's what I'm using here. Alright, so that's the only tool you're gonna need to replace a battery on this particular vehicle. So let's bring the camera over. Before that, I want you to check out my other video followed by this is going to be about a customer who connected a jump box inward, meaning they pull positive on negative, negative on positive, and this vehicle does not start even though we replaced the battery. The battery was completely shot because the customer now hasn't driven the car for the whole pandemic of 2020, the coronavirus pandemic. She never drove the car. Battery is totally dried out, gone. She wanted to put a new battery in, but she had destroyed something. She got lucky, but I want you to pay attention not to do something like that. Always put positive on positive, negative on negative, and I'm going to show you what happened on this vehicle because this car does not start after even jumping it. Even putting a battery, it does not start, but we are going to put a battery, and I'm going to show you how to put in a battery. So when we removed the battery, all we took off was this number 8 that was down here on the side of the battery, and that's what holds the battery down. Okay, so let's bring the camera closer. Okay, so what we have here is our battery tray right there down here. You have your positive and negative. Make sure it goes in the same way, not the other way around. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this battery, we're gonna remove these little terminal covers, and we're gonna take this battery and we're gonna put it down just like that, and we're gonna stick it forward this way because it grips onto it. So we have a negative here and a positive here. That's how you're gonna put in the battery. To take it out, you're just gonna reverse the procedure. Okay, so all you're gonna need is we're gonna take off the extension for now because we don't need extension right now, and we're gonna tighten up the battery. Right now the battery is loose. I'm gonna take the camera, I'm gonna show you exactly the bracket that goes on to hold the battery down. Okay, so let's take the camera now. So all we did was take the battery, put the battery in, we tighten the positive and negative, and down here you have a small little hole right there. That's where your battery holder here is gonna come handy, and it's gonna go, see these 2 grooves? They're gonna go up against on the side of this, the flat side against the battery, and you just simply line that, and then we're gonna catch the threads. Once we catch the threads, very simple, we're gonna lock down the battery. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how simple it is. But like I said, the vehicle is not gonna start. I'm gonna show you one thing more. Make sure you spray the terminals with the grease, the special grease, okay? All right, now what we're gonna do is we have this grease right here, battery protector and sealer. This is gonna protect the terminals, and it's gonna make it look good. I like to have this thing sprayed on most of the cars that I get in here, and that's it, simple. Make sure you put your positive cover on. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you got a Mazda 6, there you go. And also, there was a large coolant leak over here. There was a housing over here for a coolant temp sensor. I replaced that whole thing, so we removed everything. I do have a video on that. Check that out. Don't forget to subscribe.